Hi everyone, we're back to do another deep dive, this time into a very specific part of your skincare and makeup routine.
Lip care isn't often forgotten, but it is sometimes downplayed. I think we're all guilty of hoarding tons of lip balms, and it turns out we may not be giving our lips the care they truly need.
So in this video, we're going to talk about why the skin on your lips is different and how to take care of them in the best way possible.
So let's get right to it.
The skin on your lips is still made up of the same layers as the rest of your face, but it turns out the top layer is much thinner.
Did you know that the skin on your lips actually has no oil glands whatsoever? It lacks its own source of natural hydration, and this is why lips are so prone to getting chapped and drying out.
Just like the delicate skin around the eye area, which is thinner and more delicate, the skin on your lips requires a bit of extra care.
Now that we know what makes our lips different, let's get into the most common lip conditions and the best way to treat them.
The most common lip concern people have is chapped lips. This is when that thin top layer of skin dries up and loses its moisture content, which leads to cracking and flaking.
Chapped lips can be caused by a few things: harsh weather, dehydration, and excessively licking your lips.
Just like cold winter weather can dry out your complexion, extreme temperatures or weather conditions can have the same drying effect on your lips. Remember that the skin here doesn't have oil glands to moisturize and create a protective barrier, which is why we tend to get chapped lips more in the winter.
When your lips get dry, your first instinct may be to lick them. I do that all the time, but saliva can cause more harm than good. Once it evaporates from the skin on your lips, it can take any remaining moisture that was in that top layer of skin with it, leaving your lips feeling even more dry than before.
When you're dehydrated, your body starts to pull water into your system to try to keep everything running smoothly. The best way to prevent this is to check in with your doctor to make sure you're drinking enough water every day.
We all get chapped or dry lips occasionally, but if symptoms won't go away with regular lip care, it may actually be angular cheilitis.
Cheilitis is an inflammatory condition of the lips that causes severe dryness and cracking all over your lips, but commonly in the corners of the mouth as well.
It looks like red, inflamed, scaly patches that appear at the corners of your mouth, but that may spread to the rest of your lips too.
Signs you have more than just chapped lips may be severe, painful cracking, a darkened lip color, and even white plaque that forms on the surface that looks like large areas of dry, flaky skin.
Cheilitis may be caused by bacteria, a yeast infection, or other conditions. So if you're experiencing severe symptoms that just won't go away, it's best to see your doctor or a board-certified dermatologist to help take care of this condition.
Most of us probably just have to deal with chapped lips from time to time, but let's talk more about the kind of lip care that's needed on a daily basis.
The first step to keeping your lips in the best condition possible is to moisturize.
To keep lips moisturized and soft, look for products that include occlusive ingredients that seal in moisture and create a protective layer on top of your skin.
Waxes and oils, which are usually too heavy to use on the rest of your face because they can clog pores, are great for your lips. Remember when we said that the skin on your lips doesn't have any oil glands?
This is why petroleum jelly is such a popular quick fix for chapped lips. However, plain balms just sit on the top of your lips, often without any additional benefits.
It's best to look for products with a rich emollient base that will protect your lips while also infusing them with nutrients and hydration to keep the skin plump and healthy. The base of our Watermelon Glow Lip Pop is made with moisturizing oils, but just like all the rest of our products, it's also infused with nourishing and hydrating fruit extracts. In this case, watermelon.
We already know that watermelon is rich in amino acids to hydrate and strengthen your skin. And because the lips are so delicate, we also put healing vitamin E into the formula and jojoba esters to seal everything in.
The second part of your regular skincare routine should be exfoliation.
Healthy lips can benefit from exfoliation as well, but especially if you're experiencing flaking, you should look for products with gentle exfoliating properties that buff away dry skin to keep your lips smooth and soft.
One of our favorite things about the Watermelon Lip Pop formula is a combination of flower AHA and coconut sugar for twice the smoothing benefits.
What's amazing about this formula is the way it applies as a smoothing scrub, but after a few seconds, the coconut sugar just melts right in, giving way to soft, balmy texture. The sugar particles are great for getting rid of any flakiness, and the edible flower AHAs help to smooth and soften over time.
We learned a ton about lip care when we were developing Lip Pop, and we're so glad we got to share some of this information with you all.
If you have any other questions about the best way to care for your lips, just leave a comment below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!